Last scary thing I ever want to do in my life. We did it, we gave it all we had. Okay, my natural instincts were flipping around, man. All I focused on was land and hold it. It wouldn't let me hold it. Like, I didn't even concentrate on the jump. I was like, just concentrate on the landing.
Stay backwards.
And I was like, landing, hold, and it just started moving without me. Go ahead.
You are officially amazing. Congratulations.
I appreciate it so much.
Cool. And
Thank you for all the years, man. Like, for real, we've done a lot of world record stuff. You know, my man's got a couple world records. All these people are special, but they don't have them. and it's been an honor to do it over the years, whether it's the skateboard ones or the land speed one, donuts, or the world's biggest skateboard. You know, now doing this, I appreciate it over the years.